Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can join the Fisch Discord server. So first of all, you're going to have to simply launch your browser and type in discord.com, then get logged into your Discord account. If you have a Discord app, you can also launch it. The process will be the same. So from your left hand side, you're going to have to scroll all the way below until you see or locate the plus button. This plus button says add a server, so click on add a server. Now from here you can either create your own, but in case you would like to join a server, in this case Fisch server, you're going to have to simply select join a server. Now in here, if you do not have invite link already, type in this. That is discord.gg/FISCH. As I do that, select join server. Confirm that you are a human and select join server again. And as I do that, after a couple of seconds, you will see that I am a member of this Fisch server right here. And these are the channels in your left hand side. So guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you all for watching. If it helped, leave a like and sub. We will catch you up soon.